So welcome back to the channel, and today what are we doing? Well, first of all I'm going to pick up a Titan wet and dry vacuum cleaner, and I'm going to use that for dust extraction today on some of my tools. Now you may remember, if you've been watching my channel for a while, that I did a review, and it was probably around about this time last year, on a einhell cordless vacuum wet and dry vacuum cleaner. Now that's a very good vacuum cleaner, I will say that, and I'll leave a link up at the top here for you to see that review on that vacuum cleaner. If you do comment down below and ask me any questions about it, I can do another video on that one. I'm still using it, and like I said, it's a really good vacuum cleaner. It's coming very handy for what I do because it's cordless and you can just take it anywhere. I've used it for sucking out water in toilets when I've been fixing toilets and things like that, so it's really good. However, it did lack that little bit of power, which is why I bought this Titan 1200 watt wet and dry vacuum cleaner. It was on sale, I had to do it. I mean, you've just got to do it. Screwfix had an offer on it at $39.99 here in the UK. I thought, right, I'm having one of those because when I'm doing things like this, like fitting doors and doing the joinery side of my business, when I'm using the planer, which again I did a review on that, so I'll leave a link above in there, and I also used did a review on the track saw, so I'll be using it for that. Now these two tools, when I was using the einhell, it did lack that little bit of power on the suction, so it didn't extract all the dust, and the dust was going everywhere. So that's not good, is it? So it did struggle with things like that, so that's why I'm doing that with the Titan vacuum cleaner. So check out this video, you'll see the tools in use, and I'll leave some links in the above here so that you can see what tools I'm talking about just now, and obviously some of the other tool reviews I've done. So check out the rest of this video, guys. So there we go guys, this is the Titan wet and dry vacuum cleaner. As you can see, I've been using it for a variety of tools today, and it's done a really good job and I'm really pleased with it. For the price that I've paid for it, £39.99 from Screwfix here in the UK, probably around £50 other places. But I've had everything plugged into it today: planer, track saw, this Vonhaus writer, which again I've just picked up. Again, this is quite a good tool, and as you can see by the drive, there's very little dust and sawdust everywhere. Dust and sawdust everywhere, and it's a windy day like today, and it'll be just going everywhere in the neighbour's garden and be really annoying. So that's basically what I bought it for. This is an old hose off another vacuum, so I could extend it, and this has got a little bit more flexibility in than that. That's a lot stiffer. This is a lot more flexible, and I already have an attachment on the end for things, so that fitted most of my tools. There was only the planer which I wrapped a piece of masking tape round so that it would seal it in. So there you go. I'd give it a good 8 out of 10, this vacuum cleaner. I mean, it's a cheap one, so it's probably only going to last so long, I don't know. Then again, it might last my lifetime, who knows. But that'll fit in the corner of the van there, and we'll take it from job to job. I'm still using the battery powered einhell that's upstairs. I've been using that for doing some drilling as I've been fitting the doors upstairs, and obviously using that to tidy up upstairs. Just lacked a little bit of power, did that one, for doing like planing and the track saw, and dust was still going everywhere, so it needed something with a bit more suction and power to get all the sawdust and everything away, which makes it a lot easier to clean up after. And obviously your own personal thing, if you've no mask or anything on, you should be wearing a mask, but obviously the dust stays in the atmosphere, so when you take your mask off you breathe the dust in. So there you go. So that being said, real good vac. I'd recommend it to anybody, tradesperson, DIYer. Plastic casing, you know, comes with quite a few attachments, and like I say, wet and dry as well. So you can't go far wrong for 40 quid, can you? There you go. Hope you got something out of it today. Thanks for subscribing. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't done already, and give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.